Okay, here it comes. Here it comes. You gonna get it? Did you catch it? Did you catch it? Huh? Yeah, we'll back it up. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. You got it. You got it.
Save up to 50% off on everything in our store during Treasure Room's year-end clearance sale.
Owen.
That's right. Up to
Owen.
50%
Say
off.
hi, Uncle John. Hi, Aunt Pam. Hi, Ryan. Cousin Ryan. Oh, where are you going to go? Huh? Where are you going to go? You going to come and see Grandma? Oh, you going to fall on your nose? Okay, come on. Say hi, Aunt Terry. Hi, Aunt Terry. Here I come. I'm going to crawl in just a minute here. Here I come. You going to come? Come and get me. Come on. Come and get me. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Huh? Oh, you're stuck. Come on. Come and get me. Well, come and get me. Oh, your helicopter's making noises, huh? Oh, the helicopter says bye. Say bye-bye, everybody. Wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Can you? Wave bye.